Good morning and welcome, everybody. I hope you all had a great summer. This is Biblical Traditions. I'm Mr. Cramschuster, and this is the agenda for the week of 8/17. What will you be learning this week? Well, it'll be a short week. We have one class, and I'll give you an introduction to the course of Biblical Traditions. I'll tell you what you'll need to be successful in this class. And we'll hopefully begin with the first topic for the year, which is salvation history. We will go through in 2 weeks the entire Bible, from the book of Genesis to the book of Revelation in the New Testament. And I'll sort of give you who the main characters, the main themes of the entire Bible, and we'll put it together in one big story. So that'll be our first unit, or our first couple weeks of class. You don't have any assignment right now, but you'll be introduced to an assignment after our first class, and that'll be posted on campus. So I look forward to meeting you all and seeing you face to face soon. Have a good day.